As I searched the great Dr. Google, came across a quote that says, "Only when we are no longer afraid do we begin to live." You have to understand, you were given a gift to share with this world. You're here for a reason. You are purposeful. It's your path. And you are strong. You're much stronger than you really even know. So I need you to walk without fear. See? Because until the fear is gone, it will be impossible for you to reach your desired outcome. Until the fear is gone, it will be impossible for you to become the person that you were destined to be. No excuses, no worries, no regrets, and absolutely no fear. This is the moment in time for you to jump and go all in. Put yourself in a position to land softly, like I always like to say, on your bed of dreams. What's the worst thing that can happen? You fail. So what? Failure is part of your journey to success. Fear is for those who achieve much, much less. And today that is no longer who you are. So stop feeding your fears. It's time for you to have a steady diet of self-worth, self-confidence, self-belief, with absolutely no fear. Until the fear is gone, you will never become the best version of yourself. Fear kills more dreams than failure ever will. So embrace the failures. Embrace the uncomfort. Pick yourself up and do something right now that makes you feel a little unsure, that makes you feel a little uncertain, that makes you feel like, I don't know if this is gonna work. And then execute, fail, revise, execute again until you achieve your desired destination of next level success. This is a great day.